and I'm sitting on him. All of my diamonds are dripping on him. I met him at the bar, I was 12 or something. I ordered 2 more wines, cause tonight I want him. A little context if you care to listen. I find myself in a shit position. The man that I love sat me down last night and he told me that it's over, done decision. I don't wanna feel how my heart is ripping. In fact, I don't wanna feel, so I stick to sipping. And I'm out on the town with a simple mission. In my little black dress and the shit is sitting. Just a heartbroken bitch, high heels, 6 inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with. In the back of the taxi, sniffing cocaine. Drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk sex. I was looking for a man who was on the same page. Back to the intro, back to the bar, to the Bentley, to the hotel, to my old way. Cause I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Doctor, anything please. Doctor, have mercy on me. Take this pain away. Yes, give me my symptoms, doctor. I don't wanna feel. Took this joint, how I'm blowing this thing. Back to my ways like 2019. 24 hours since my ex did it. I got a new man on me, it's about to get sweaty. Last night really was the cherry on the cake. Been some dark days lately and I'm finding it crippling. Excuse my state, I'm as high as your hopes that you'll make it to my bed. Get me hot and sizzling. If I take a step back to see the glass half full, at least it's the part of 2-piece that I'm tripping in. And I'm already acting like a dick, know me? So you might as well stick it. Just a heartbroken bitch, high heels, 6 inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with. In the back of the taxi, sniffing cocaine. Drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk sex. I was looking for a man who was on the same page. Back to the intro, back to the bar, to the Bentley, to the hotel, to my old way. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Anything please. Have mercy on me and take this pain away. Just give me my symptoms, doctor. I don't wanna feel. Cause I don't wanna feel like I felt last night. I don't wanna feel like I felt last night.
Yeah, peace are the things you can't change. I was naked when I leave, and I was naked when I came. Out of reach, out of touch, too numb, I don't feel no way. So stuck, so what? Streets small, but it go both ways. So, you're wrong, you never escape. Sunset in the
Just give me my symptoms, doctor. I don't wanna feel. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Doctor, anything please. Doctor, have mercy on me. Just give me my symptoms, doctor. I don't wanna feel.
Lipstick smudged like Madonna. I don't know where the fuck I am or who's driving the fucking car, speeding down the highway, sipping, mixing pills at the liquor car, fuck these fins. I left everyone I love on red. Spilling secrets to a stranger in my bed. I remember nothing, so there's nothing to regret. Oh, then this 4/4 kick drum pounding in my head.